Hello West Point Society leaders. On this video, we're going to give you an overview of our Sallyport platform and all the resources it provides for our volunteer leaders. Now please keep in mind, in order to access Sallyport, you will need to activate your account. You can email sallyport@wpaog.org to get started. In the top right hand corner of the dashboard, you will notice either your profile picture or your initials. If you click on this icon, it will bring you to all your profile settings, including notification settings, which we have gone over in our Sallyport profiles and privacy settings video, which you could find on our Society Leaders Toolkit YouTube page. To the left of your profile picture will be a little chat messaging icon, and this will bring you to a private messaging page where you can privately message another user on Sallyport. And to the left of your messaging icon will be a little bell picture. This is your notifications icon, and if you click on it, you will see any notifications to your account. This will include any groups you are a part of or anytime you are tagged on Sallyport. Again, your notification settings can be customized under your profile, and we have gone over that in another video titled Sallyport Profiles and Privacy Settings. Again, all these tabs along the top are your user tabs, and your homepage will always be your Grad link directory. The Grad link directory includes all West Point graduates who have opted to be visible on Sallyport. You can search by using someone's first and or last name. You can also search by using keywords, such as any clubs or athletics that you may have been a part of while at West Point. You can search by location of where the graduate currently lives, or you can even narrow down your search further by clicking on More Filters. This will give you the opportunity to search by organization or class year or cadet company. And as you can see, if I search by location such as Tampa, Florida, it will show all visible users on Sallyport located in this area. You can also click the icons directly on the interactive map to bring up their profile. The next tab up top is our Groups tab, and this will show all groups on Sallyport, including any groups you follow, such as classes, parent groups, shared interest groups, also known as SIGs, West Point societies, or AOG departments. Each group banner will indicate which type of group this is, and if you click on the search bar, you can search any of the groups on Sallyport. If you click the followed portion, it will bring you to all groups in which you follow. By clicking on this group, such as Alumni Services, it will bring you to the Sallyport group page with all information pertaining to this particular West Point group. In the right corner of the banner on the group page, it will give you the option to join or unjoin the group and how you would like to receive notifications of this group's activity on Sallyport. The next tab up top is our Find a Society tab, which provides an interactive map to locate all West Point societies. You can use the search bar up top to find a particular society, or you can click the regional tabs below and it will filter it by geographical location. Now, if you click on a particular pin on the interactive map, it will take you to that group's Sallyport page. Each Sallyport group page has information including society leadership, contact information, social media, and even events. Our next user tab is our All News tab, and this provides updates for West Point based on category. Each news banner will indicate which category the news update is a part of, and if you click on a news update, it will show you the full story. You can like or comment on the news story or share it on your social media. Our next user tab is our Gripping Hands page. The Gripping Hands program keeps with the spirit of being the most connected alumni body in the world and offers graduates a way to connect during catastrophic emergencies, including natural, medical, and economic. The program provides information and connections to our graduates, including online resources during emergency times. This page will offer ways in which you can help or volunteer during times of crisis. The next user tab up top is our All Events tab. This tab will show any public events on Sallyport, including Founders Day events or tailgates. Similar to the Grad link directory feature, you can search by geographical location. For instance, if I type in Colorado, it will show all public events happening in the state of Colorado. You can search for upcoming events or even search past events that have already been facilitated through Sallyport. West Point volunteer groups can host event registration through Sallyport, and we have gone over that in another video on our YouTube page titled Sallyport Events. The next user tab is our volunteer leader resources, and it will bring you to the toolkit pages on our AOG website for society leaders, class leaders, and parent leaders. As you can see, each toolkit page on the AOG website provides different resources based on the type of volunteering you plan on doing. Our WPAOG gift shop tab will bring you to our online store where you can purchase any merchandise provided by the gift shop. The next user tab will be our Get Involved tab, and this provides resources and information on how you can volunteer to help the legacy of the Long Gray Line. Volunteering takes on many forms and includes society leaders, class leaders, SIG leaders, parent club leaders, AOG volunteers, TAPS volunteers, class giving volunteers, advisory council, board members, and more. Our final user tab is our Give to the WPAOG tab, which will bring you back to the AOG website in order to provide a gift or donation to West Point. You can also access this page by typing in westpointaog.org/give online directly in your web browser. And if you have any further questions on how to give back to West Point, you can contact our Gift Operations Department at 845-446-1658. And please don't forget that your Sallyport dashboard has a search bar where you can search any graduate visible on Sallyport. And once again, if you have any questions, including how to activate your free account, please email us at sallyport@wpaog.org. Thank you.